If you're responsible for the revenue of your company, then you need to watch this. Whether you're a sales manager, director, or CEO, you need to register for my webinar on how to create a sales blueprint for your organization. In just 25 minutes, I comprehensively analyze the various components that will determine your sales success and give you the precise best practices that are going to lead to a significant increase in your revenue. Do you have a complete departmental reboot or set of procedures to overhaul? Are you looking at the mess of inefficiencies and legacy procedures and thinking, where the hell do I start? It's easy to rest on your laurels in business and sales, but after you finish watching, you'll be left with a precise strategy and action plan that's going to lead to a significant increase in your company's performance and, of course, revenue. In my experience, if you're not doing these things, then simply by following the steps laid out in this webinar, you're going to see a minimum 100% increase in revenue. The webinar covers everything from creating a sales playbook with established proven methodologies to HR requirements of hiring and firing, as well as implementing the right tech stack and the training methodologies that make up the whole holistic picture. In addition to accessing the webinar, you're also going to receive the entire transcript of the webinar in a PDF brochure that you can read whenever you want. This webinar doesn't waste time analyzing the ins and outs. Instead, we simply establish the best practices that you need to undertake to produce this holistic strategy and plan. In other words, it's your very own sales blueprint. Click the link to take you straight to register for the webinar. There's no upsell, no daily junk email, no spam, no free training to lure you in, no way. All my online training is free and always will be. Why would you pay for average when I'll give you the very best for nothing? So click the link and I'll see you on the other side when we're going to tackle the entire process of how to create a sales blueprint for your organization. It's time, guys.